Each day, he reinforced his commitment to personal growth, turning challenges into opportunities and dreams into reality. I love this. I love this. I love this. I really do love this. They, you can make short story books with this. You can make short story books for men, for teenage boys, for young boys. You can yeah. Now this would be dope if it went with like coloring pages to make a coloring book. And yeah, this would go crazy. Personally, I like this. I would use this to make journals for men, because personally I don't think men express themselves enough. So even if they don't trust anyone enough to express their feelings, they should at least write them down. So that is that is I wonder if, you know what? I ain't even gonna cap. I'm gonna see if I can make a song with these 7 affirmations. I ain't gonna cap. I'm gonna see. And then after that, we're gonna call it a night. But we finna get this song though. And I'm gonna make this a male voice. It's gonna be an indie soul. It's gonna be a male voice. And we're gonna see what it gives us. We're gonna vibe out. And then we gonna call it a night. Okay. Paste. Indie soul. Male voice. Male voice. What was the title of the story again? Mastery in a Week. Mastery in
Bravery in every thread. Chase those dreams ahead.
Free it. Free it. Oh, what I didn't do. I didn't do a Luma. We gotta at least do one Luma. Oh, these is the ones I did earlier. These is the ones from my GPT. Yeah, but that's another time. That's another demonstration. That's another demonstration. Okay. Okay. Okay, which one are we gonna do? Let's do Snowbag. Let's do that. This is one of my favorite ones. So I'm gonna do one more actually. I got 79 credits. See, I told you I'd be going through these credits. Like, I would have been done with them, honestly. But I'm really trying to take my time.